isn't instant gratification. If you want to get results instantly, this isn't for you. Stick to
academy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn $100 per day for free with no website required. Now let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now if you notice here, you're currently looking at my website. Now if you notice, this looks a little bit complex, right? There's the home, there's the inner circle, there's the reviews, there's the blog. Then you look at the blogs and there's just so much content, and websites can be super overwhelming. And what happens is when you look at this big thing, you want to make money online, but when you look at websites, you're like, crap, I need a website. Number one, I don't know how to create a website. Number two, I can't afford to pay somebody to create one for me, but I want to get started. I want to go ahead and take action right now. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in this exact video in 3 simple steps. So we're looking here, earn $100 per day for free, no website required. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and find something to sell. And what I would recommend is affiliate products. Affiliate products is when you're recommending somebody else's product. So somebody else created the product and you get paid to recommend other people's products. For example, let's just say company A decided to create a product in the weight loss industry. All I have to do as an affiliate is find people who are trying to lose weight and become the professional middleman and connect the person's product who created that weight loss product and connect the person who's trying to lose weight, connect those people together. Once the transaction is made, I get paid a commission. Now you're probably asking, okay, that's cool, Eric, I'm down to do affiliate marketing, but where do I find these affiliate products? Now, there's 2 ways you can find affiliate marketing products. Number one is affiliate network. So what is an affiliate network? An affiliate network is something like ClickBank.com, right? So we're gonna look at a couple of affiliate networks. We have ClickBank.com right here, where you can go ahead and create an account, and then you can go ahead and shop affiliate products. We have maxbounty.com, where you can go ahead and shop, create an account and shop for affiliate products in different niches, different industries. We have JVZoo, where you can go ahead and create an account and shop affiliate products, right? And the thing that I like about these 3 websites is that they focus on digital products, not like Amazon Associates where they're physical products. The problem with physical products as an affiliate is that they take away a lot of your margins and it's hard to run paid advertisement campaigns. But that's in the future. We're talking about free marketing methods anyway. But the more margins you have, the more profit or commissions they're willing to pay out, the more you're able to earn as an affiliate. Now another one is if you actually find biz ops. They're called business opportunities. So an example, something that I'm currently using is something called a Funnel X ROI. And if you notice here, with one of the affiliate offers, this is a system that allows you to promote 5 different offers. I made $43,925 as an affiliate, right? So this is one of my big income streams. If you guys want more information on that, there will be a link in the description, first thing in the description, ericsnewbook.com. After you guys get access to my free book, you'll be able to also get access to this affiliate offer and join my team, and I'll teach you guys how to promote that. But aside from that, once we go ahead and find affiliate products, the next thing that we want to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and actually pick a niche, right? So you want to go ahead and pick a niche. Now if you decide to promote Funnel X ROI and Easy One Up like I am, then obviously that's the make money online niche, but maybe that's not what you're interested in. If the best way to pick a niche is figuring out something that you're actually passionate about, something that you love to do, something that you love to read on, something that you love to talk about, something that you just are obsessed with, right? I'm obsessed with money. I've loved money ever since I was a little freaking kid, right? I used to sell candy, all that extra stuff. So that's why I kind of was in this niche, because I love to talk about money and I love to teach people to make money. You might want to help people lose weight. I'd rather teach people how to make money, right? I'm skinny. I really don't know how to teach people how to lose weight. I never went through that, but I've been dead broke and I've made 6 figures online, so I like to teach people the skill set. So that's my niche, right? And guys, as far as if you don't know your niches, simply go on Google and type in different niches. Another way to figure out niches is, for example, if you log into one of these affiliate networks, or let me just make this simple and go back to the marketplace. So if I just go to the marketplace, for example, on ClickBank, this will kind of give you an idea of different niches that you guys can look into. So we have as seen on TV, best business business and investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, politics, reference, self-helps, sports, travel, so on and so forth. Now within these different categories, there's sub-niches. Just to give you guys an example, if I was to go to sports, right, I'm gonna go ahead and find different products. I'm gonna find a product called Vertical Jump that teaches you how to jump higher. I'm gonna go ahead and find the stress-free golf that teaches you how to golf better, so on and so forth. So the reason why I wanted to show you guys that is because, guys, there's 1,000,001 products. So before you even like look into this, like figure out what you want to do, figure out what niche you want to do. Now if you want ideas, you can look into these, but oh, I love golf, or oh, I love teaching people how to jump higher, whatever, right? So next is, once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and actually pick a niche, pick an offer, right? So what we want to do is a couple of things. We want to go ahead and, number one, make sure that when we're picking an offer, depending on whether you did ClickBank, Max Bounty, JV Zoo, if you decided to promote what I'm promoting, ericsonbook.com, grab access to my book and join my team. If you guys want to do that, if you guys want to leverage what I'm using to make, I've made over $50,000 with this, but I don't know why it says 43,000, but whatever. So with that being said, if you want to work with me, you go there. If you want to pick your own offer, you can go on ClickBank, and let's just say I was in this specific niche. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and let's just see. I'll just do the vertical jump, right? So if I click the actual link, right, it's going to go ahead and open up the sales video. Now what this is called, guys, is called a VSL, in affiliate marketing or any marketing in general. VSL means video sales letter. So what this is, instead of you freaking working super hard and selling the actual products yourself, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to actually promote these products. And they created a sales presentation in a video form that explains the product, it explains the benefits, it explains how it can help that person solve that problem. And then what happens is, after the video is done, there will be a button that appears to where people can click that button. Once they click that button, it'll bring them to a checkout page. And when they go to the checkout page, they'll have the opportunity to purchase the product. Obviously, if they're interested in this solution, meaning if I'm trying to jump higher and I come across this video and it just so happens to be your affiliate link, and I make a purchase because I want to jump higher, you're the middleman, so you connected me with the product. What's going to happen is the average sale is $40.69. So if you notice here, if I press promote, if I wanted to promote this as an affiliate, and this is the niche that I wanted to do, right? 75% commission. So they pay out 75% commission. That means every single sale that I generate, on average, I'm going to make $30. So if I want to make $100 per day, how many sales do I have to get per day? Anywhere from 3 to 4 sales on average per day will be an average of $100 per day. And we're going to go ahead and get to step number 3. We're going to teach you how to do that. But first, let's go ahead and actually backtrack a little bit. Now we picked our offer. Now that we picked our offer, what's going to happen is, obviously, if I was logged in, I'll be able to do this. But I'm going to be able to go ahead and click this button and get access to my affiliate link. So my affiliate link is what I'm going to be promoting. But the problem is, let's just say, so once we go ahead and press it, okay, it did. So here's the thing, guys, this is an ugly freaking link, but let's actually show what it opens up to. Just to show you guys really quick, I just put in my ID, Health Uni, right, because this is in the health niche with one of my accounts. But that account nickname is unique to me. So when I promote this link and I have my account nickname in there, when a sale is generated, they're going to make sure that I get paid and that I get the commission, because multiple people are promoting this product as an affiliate. Because multiple people might like golf, multiple people might like weight loss, so on and so forth, right? So basically, we don't want to go ahead and promote this long, ugly link that they're going to go ahead and give us. So what we're going to do, instead of creating a website like this, right, which is extremely complicated. Let's just say I was trying to promote this website, and this was a website for like helping people jump higher. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do 2 methods. So the 2 methods that we can do, right, is either use link shorteners, right? So a link shortener, for example, could be you go to bit.ly.com, bitly.com, and I go to create. First, you want to create an account, or you don't even have to, but what you can do is you can go ahead and create a new link with that long, ugly link they gave me. So instead of, just to skip ahead a little bit, let's just say I'm creating a YouTube video or something, or even an Instagram video. I don't want to promote that ugly link because it looks like a scam, it looks spamish, but it's really not. It's just a long link because they have so many affiliates that they have to give me this random freaking link. So what I can do is I can say, jumping high hats. It's an ugly link name, but let's just say if I was to say that, right? That's one method, right? Let me not skip ahead. I'll backtrack a little bit. Second method. So first method was Bitly. Second method is ClickFunnels, leveraging ClickFunnels. Now, there will be a link in the description to where you guys can grab access to a ClickFunnels account for free once I log into ClickFunnels. So, I showed you guys what we're going to do with link shorteners, right? Direct linking. The second approach is leveraging a software called ClickFunnels. Alright, so the second option that we're going to be using is called Sales Funnel. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging a sales funnel software called ClickFunnels to actually build out these pages. If you look here, it says quickly create beautiful sales funnels that convert your visitors into leads and then customers. These sales funnels are like the alternative to websites. So instead of having this complicated website right here, just to show you guys, right, this is what a sales funnel looks like. So what I'm doing is I'm creating this page here, which is super simple. I'm not going to go into depth. If you guys want me to actually teach you guys how to build sales funnels, you guys can go to ericsoncourse.com And in my actual course, I teach you guys how to build funnels, so on and so forth. It's actually super simple. And then what's going to happen is I'm just going to go ahead and attach my affiliate offer to this actual sales funnel. And then after these people decide to claim my free thing, I'm going to redirect them to an affiliate offer, right? So that's the second approach. The whole point of this is so that way we can go ahead and actually send people to this page that captures emails. And then we can start building an asset called an email list to where people don't buy the first time we redirect them to that affiliate offer. We can actually remarket to them with something called email marketing. So the two ways that we can go ahead and actually start an affiliate marketing business without a website is number one is link shorteners, which is direct linking. Number two, which is ClickFunnels, and which is building these little landing pages that allowed us to start building these email lists to start remarketing with the traffic that we're actually driving to our either landing page or affiliate offers. Now, step number three is pick a free traffic method. As I stated before, how to earn $100 per day for free with no website required. Now guys, there's two things that you're gonna go ahead and have to invest in. One thing that I want you guys to understand is you're either gonna go ahead and invest money or time, right? So what is gonna go ahead and get you quicker to your results? Is it the same method that I'm teaching you guys how to do? Is if you do this with paid advertising, right? If you invest money, you're gonna be able to get results much quicker because you're gonna be able to literally pay for results. You're gonna be able to pay for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, so on and so forth, different ads to get visitors to your affiliate offers much faster. But if you don't have those financial resources, you can start for free by investing time. Now, what I want you guys to know is that this isn't instant gratification. If you want to get results instantly, this isn't for you. Stick to a fucking 9 to 5. But if you want to actually put in the work, right, and you're willing to actually do what you need to do to achieve your dreams, then this is going to be for you. So, yes, this is for free, but you do still have to invest something, which is time. So, 3 methods that I'm currently using myself. One example is Pinterest. Now guys, the type of time that you're gonna invest is actually creating content. So for example, if I go to Pinterest, right, I have 42,000 monthly viewers, and the way I've been able to do that is by publishing content. So the thing about Pinterest is that if people share your content, it's evergreen. People continue to actually share your content, and what happens is you can link a website to your actual content. That's one method. Second free method, and I'm gonna save the best for last, the second free method is Instagram or Instagram TV, which is a new method. Now, if you guys notice here, I have a lot of like lifestyle stuff on here, but if we're not talking about like lifestyle on my Instagram, pretty dope, right? I know, it's pretty dope Instagram TV. But if you guys notice here, I have Instagram IGTV videos. So I have 540 views on this one, 518 views on this one, but I don't know if you guys noticed, at the bottom of my content, I have a domain name, which is ericmoney.com. And basically what that is, that's actually linked to a sales funnel, which is what I was talking about earlier. And that's gonna go to redirect people to my affiliate offers. That's one method, which is Instagram content, publishing content, investing the time. You don't have the money, so fucking invest the time. And last but not least is my favorite, which is YouTube. So guys, YouTube is super powerful, and the reason why YouTube is so powerful is because I believe by far it is the best traffic method for free traffic because it is evergreen content. So if I go to my videos, right, sort by, I have a video with 603,000 views that I created 1 year ago. I have a video with 138,000 views that I created 2 years ago. 1 year ago, 54,000 views. 1 year ago, 36,000 views. 11 months ago, 35,000 views. Now guys, I created these pieces of content over a year ago, and they are still generating traffic. People are still finding these videos, and I'm still leveraging these videos that I created a year or 2 years ago, right, to drive traffic to my affiliate offers, to still generate sales, and to still make money online. So guys, with that being said, the 3 methods or the 3 steps to earning $100 per day for free with no website required is find something to sell. I would recommend an affiliate offer, pick a niche, then find your offer. As stated before, if you guys want to use what I'm promoting, go to ericsonbook.com, grab access to my my new book for free, and then I'm also going to redirect you to the affiliate offer that I'm promoting. Next is which approach do you want to go? Do you want to go to use link shorteners, which is the easy route? Usually when something's a little bit harder, it's a little bit more beneficial. So if you guys want to get started immediately, you guys could just create these links and then go ahead and create a link shortener. ClickFunnels, there will be a link somewhere down below to where you guys can get access to a ClickFunnels account. But if you guys want to actually learn how to build out these funnels, I didn't have really enough time to show you guys in this video, but you guys can go to ericsoncourse.com and grab access to my my course at a 50% discount. The price will be going up pretty soon. So this will actually teach you guys how to build out these funnels. It is a little bit harder, but it is a lot more beneficial. And then number 3 is pick a free traffic method. Do you want to do Pinterest? Do you want to do Instagram? Do you want to do YouTube SEO? Do you want to do blogging? Do you want to do whatever? There's so many free traffic methods. I just gave you guys 3 examples, but basically, guys, you're going to have to invest 2 types of things. You're either going to have to invest money or time. If you invest money, you're going to get there much faster, but if you don't have the resources, I completely understand. I started where you are. I was dead broke when I started affiliate marketing, but I started publishing content every single day. My choice was on YouTube, and eventually I got to the point where I'm currently at 28,000 subscribers. I'm driving a ridiculous amount of traffic to my affiliate offers, and I'm making 6 figures online because I decided to invest the time. So with that being said, my friend, that is how you make $100 per day for free with no website required. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, I want this person to be my mentor, click the link in the description right now, or go to erickhelp.com. That's erickhelp.com. Again, thanks for watching.